Yeah. Hi, are you excited?
I can hear your voice.
I can hear your voice ka dyan.
We are now ready to depart for Cebu and commence our flying time is approximately 15 minutes.
Di, tama na daw.
Tulo, medyo.
Ako ba na empty na lang na.
This is wind. Wind.
Original saka Agoan lang man yung ano?
Pwede na himuan ka ng sauce na spicy.
Ay, so burn tanan dili spicy niya. Umuan lang og sauce.
Una. Ikaw, Loy. Are you afraid, Loy? Later.
Yay, perfect ito. Okay, smile here. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
There's the living room. Okay.
Wala naman isunod.
Oo, natanan mo ba niya? Anong gamot?
Zime, are you excited?
Yeah.
Huh? How about you, Loy?
Yes, very much excited.
Ah?
Word excited. And the word excited is animals zoo.
One or 2 minutes ra, in garden you will transfer an open job. Okay? So dili ni siya inyong second na whole tour. Take you to white lion, camel, birds of the world, and African savanna. So those areas are key attractions. Will close at 4 p.m.
Pang reels lang.
Ate, problemang baha. Ate, let's go. Ate mo dito, i-bike mo. Taas ang ilahan sa likod.
Tuy, tuy, tuy.
Kanya, masakay na ito siyang para sa white lion.
Yan na nandun.
Welcome to White Lion Safari. My name is Alma. I'm your guide for this journey and I'm with RJ. So for your safety, everyone, remain seated while the tram is moving. No flash photography. Do not stick out your fingers and secure the folded your purse. Thank you. And inside, we have two white lions named Ben and Ken. They have cartilage, so they are carnivores, everyone. We provide beef or chicken 5 to 8 kilograms per lion per day. Yes. Wala pa sir, ang ilahang feeding time every afternoon. At as nocturnal animals lang at night, they can see 8 times better in the dark than humans. But daytime for na ilahang vision. So lions, everyone, are the second largest big cat species. Bibi ang shoes kay mahulog. Let's go to the camel.
Mama, awas sama kay makabunan ni mo kami. Palayo ha, mapakan mo. Okay, okay. Isa sila na. Very power. Sorry, tanaw lang mo inin.
Gani, tamo ay kuan ito.
Oh, gawan sa iyong kuan.
Mahurot inyong mamdi. Ano ito baka kanina lang mo.
They're marching.
Klaro de.
Ajay. Lahat po siya na klase mo. Hello. Ayun. Loh, uy. Ayaw bumak. May gilo kayo may.
Kalindot no, di lang siya. Di po siya malakaw. Oh, anak jud na siya. Sakit siguro na kayo.
and closely related to horses and donkeys. They fighting off the predators by kicking and biting, and they can do also sleeping while standing. And we have also here our Jean or Madame Lazine and Peppa Pig, the teacher of Peppa. And we have also here our shoulder. Both female and male have ringhorn.
More.
Hi, Mom!